Hello, dear students. Hope you all are doing well. You are all safe at your home. Today, we will discuss our sixth part of this series, that is past progressive or past continuous. Okay, you all like our video, share, subscribe, as well as leave your comment if you have any requirement, if you need something. So you write in comment and it will act like a booster for us. Okay. Now come to the rule for past continuous. It is subject, was or were, verb, ing. So you can remember about present continuous where we have used subject, is, am, are plus verb ing. It is just was were, past tense of a be verb. I have sent you the list of verbs. Be is auxiliary verb, primary auxiliary. Its forms are is, am, are, was, were. So in present continuous we use subject is, am, are plus verb ing. Though here in past continuous we use subject was or were plus ing with the verb. For affirmative sentence, for interrogative we use just move the auxiliary before the subject. So it becomes was or were, then comes the subject, then ing with the verb, and don't forget to put the question mark. Many of time I have found students they did really well, but at the end they forget to put the question mark. So which is a real problem for them. So next time you don't do such mistakes. Next come our negative structure. So it is subject, was or were plus not plus verb ing. Okay. So this is the negative structure. Next, uses, take the screenshot or write in your notebook for future reference. You keep it. So first thing, when we talk about two actions that went on at the same time, same point of time in the past. Okay, suppose I took one point of time, that is yesterday evening. So you just remember yesterday evening, which two actions you are doing one action, your brother is doing one action at the same time. Suppose you are watching TV and your brother was reading, or you are reading, your brother was watching TV. So it's a long sentence. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗଲା କାଲି ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ପଢୁଥିଲି ମୋ ଭାଇ ଟିଭି ଦେଖୁଥିଲା. Look, a long sentence, but if you know the rule, if you are aware of the fact, that it will be very easy for you to solve this long sentence. So look how we are doing it. Two actions, both are happening at the same time. So use past continuous or past progressive. Subject was or were plus ing with the verb. So look, ମୁଁ ପଢୁଥିଲି. Subject is I. So I was reading. When I was reading, my brother was watching TV. TV ଦେଖିବା, watch. So add ing. My brother was watching TV. So yesterday evening, when I was reading, my brother was watching TV. Example here given, I was sleeping while you were studying. So both the works were happening at the same time. ଏକାବେଳେ ଦୁଇଟି କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହେଉଥିଲେ ସମାନ ସମୟରେ. ଆମେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ କ'ଣ ଲେଖିବା? Past continuous or past progressive. Two simultaneous actions. Okay. So when the action both were happening at the same time, use past continuous. Number 2, we talk about an action that was repeated more frequently in the past. Which action is happening with you repeatedly in the past? For that you use past continuous. Like when we were young, mother was always worrying about keeping us neat and clean. So every time your mother was concerned She was concerned frequently about your cleanliness. That's why we use when we were young, mother was always worrying about keeping us neat and clean. Next, use we talk about the gradual development of an action. Gradual development of an action means slow development. धीरे धीरे परिवर्तन हवा. So slow development of an action we use past continuous. So it was getting late and the film star had not yet arrived. The crowd was becoming restless. So action was a it was getting late slowly. Suppose somebody is coming like Salman Khan, Anubhav, yeah, Siddhant, whoever may be. So they are coming. They have suppose promised that they will come at 7, but it is already 7:30 and it is getting late. धीरे धीरे डेरी होची 7:30 7:45 8टा. So the thing is gradually delaying. Okay, gradual development of an action. Here, gradual delay. So for this, we also use past continuous. Then number 4, to express an action that was in progress in the past. So as its name, past progressive. So one action which was in progress in past, we can use past progressive for that. Like he was sleeping. When I came home, he was sleeping. Yeah, another rule is there. If one action is going on or continued and in between another action happened, for continuation action in the past we use past continuous, and for the action which happened in between we use past simple. ମୁଁ ଖେଳୁଥିଲା ବେଳେ ପଡ଼ିଗଲି. When I was playing my work was going on. When I was playing ମୁଁ ପଡ଼ିଗଲି past simple. I fell down. ମା ରୋଷେଇ କରୁଥିଲା ବେଳେ ହାତ ଜଳିଗଲା. So when my mother was cooking, she burnt her finger. ଗୋଟେ କାମ ଚାଲୁଥିଲା ମଝିରେ ଗୋଟେ short term ର action ହେଲା. ଯୋଉ କାମ ଚାଲୁଥାଏ for the continuation action we use past continuous. For the short term action we use past simple. Okay, so these are the uses. Apart from this, there are many uses also there. I hope if you are interested, you can join our academy, Bapis English Academy. You contact us, you write in comment, you can join us, and there will be regular classes. Teachers, renowned teachers are there. From across the corner of Odisha, there are renowned teachers. They are taking classes very fluently. They are also taking care of spoken English part. They are taking care of your pronunciation, phonetics. All the things will be taken care of. So if you are interested, you join with us and enjoy the classes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you all. This sort of a love and trust is needed from you. Keep it, and in future we all will combinedly grow. Thank you.